Good morning. So I've had a couple of questions this morning about how to type on the Google slide for the tree diagram. So before you can type on it, you have to make a copy of it, or else it changes the slide that I shared. So when you open it, you'll get a little box that says View Only. And so what you have to do is, I'm not sure yours is going to look exactly like mine, but you need to see either where it says File and go down and you need to make a copy. And I would just do the entire presentation, and then you can share it with the same people and say OK. And now up here it says a copy of a tree diagram. So I would take off the copy of and I would just say Miller tree diagram. And then you should be able to type on it. And so if you look over here, as I was looking, there's other people online viewing this one, the original that was sent out. But once I made a copy and I looked at it, then I'm the only one on it, and it's my personal copy. And then, so I could type on here, I could type in this text box, I could say ham, and then it automatically saves, and then I should be able to go, if you go to Google and then go to your waffle over here, and then go to your drive, I should be able to see my own personal copy in the drive. In my drive, here's the Miller, here's my copy of it, and then here's the original one I sent out to you all. So that's in my drive, or if you don't see it right when it pops up, you can check recent, and so you should be able to see it from there. But again, you have to make a copy before you can type on it. Otherwise, you're typing on the original one. If that doesn't help, let me know, and I'll see what I can do.